What's going on, guys? It's Alexa back with another video, and today I'm actually going to be changing up the exhaust on my 2011 Jeep Wrangler. So I already placed an order online from Amazon for a Dynomax Super Turbo catback exhaust. We're going to open the box now, take a look at it, and before I actually install it on the Jeep, I'm going to be taking it to RPM to install it on my Wrangler. But before I install it, I need to spray it with something really quick. So the only reason I went with Dynomax is because I listened to several videos of different Jeep exhausts, and what I've come to notice is that some of them that are louder and sound pretty good at the higher RPM, they sound a little too tin canny for me. So with Dynomax, it's a subtle upgrade to your Jeep exhaust. I really like the sound of it. I certainly hope that when I get it installed in person, it sounds better, but the only problem with Dynomax is since it was only about $130, it is made of cheaper material, and to prevent any rust in the future, I'm going to spray it with some Rust-Oleum barbecue and stove, which is high heat. It is a tough protective enamel, and just so you guys won't talk about me, it does say for use with automotive parts and more. So this can be used on pretty much anything. So shake this up really well. I'm going to coat the whole thing with it. And I'll go ahead and show you guys what comes in the box. Well, not the prettiest material, but get what you pay for. So just in case you guys were wondering, it's a little dirty too. I'm gonna have to wipe that off when I get to RPM. But this is Dynomax. Like I said, I'm gonna spray it with the barbecue Rust-Oleum, so that way it won't rust in a couple years. But yeah, that's what it comes with. Also comes with clamps, instructions, and loose parts. Okay. So yeah, that's everything that comes. I'm pretty sure all of this is just packing material. But yeah, not the prettiest package. Is a little dirty, is a little scuffed, but that's $130 for hopefully a decent exhaust. So we're gonna take this to RPM, get it sprayed up, and we'll see how it sounds. Alright guys, so we're here at RPM Superstore, right behind it, next to this lovely modified Jeep. Giving me ideas once again. But go under here, there's a stock muffler. So they're just going to be cutting that off. It says from the catback, but looking at it, it looks like an axleback system, so I'm not 100% sure. But either way, I'll go ahead and give you guys a nice stock exhaust sound, and then when they're all done, I'll give you guys a comparison of the new exhaust. Okay, so holy crap, you guys, this exhaust is ridiculous. Like, my face when I first heard the exhaust was like, is this is a V6? Like, oh my god. I'm telling you, the video is not going to do it justice, but let me at least show you guys what the setup looks like. So here we got the dual tips. You can see they say Dynomax on it. So what they did do, as I said before, they painted the exhaust itself with the Rust-Oleum, the high heat Rust-Oleum, which I'm glad I went with the high heat because I touched it when I got home and it is a little warm. So let me see if I can show you guys up under, so you guys can see where it connects to that piece right there. I don't know why it looks a little dented, but you guys can see it now. So yeah, they painted all of that, added the tips on, and I can't decide if I want to paint the tips a different color, or to paint it like a gloss black or like a matte black. I don't know. They're fine to me right now, but it's way deeper than it was. So I'm going to show you guys a little exhaust clip, and you tell me what you think. So in the morning, I'm going to give you guys a cold start so you can see what that sounds like. I'm sure it's going to be a lot louder as well. And I'm also going to give you guys a driving sound so you can hear what it sounds like on the inside of the Jeep itself. So, but from the outside, I think it sounds pretty badass. And I'm really excited. So I'll give you guys that exhaust clip in the morning in just a second. The camera doesn't rattle too much, so I apologize ahead of time if it does, but hopefully you get a good sound clip. And I promise you guys, like, it's way deeper sound in person. Alright guys, well that's wrapping up the exhaust video. Once again, I am very impressed with it. For only about $130 Dynomax off of Amazon. I'm really impressed with it. A lot of people have heard it so far and they really like it as well, but once again the camera does not do it justice. It is way deeper in person, but I really enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because I do post twice a week. So there's always something cool for you to watch. So thank you guys again, and I will see y'all next time. Take care.